view all the currently active TDR under your IRCTC account. So hey guys, welcome to this simple and easy tutorial. In this tutorial, I will be guiding you through the steps of how you can find the current active TDR under your official IRCTC account. So in order to start, the first thing that you will need to do is simply go to the IRCTC official website, that is irctc.co.in. And once you are inside the irctc.co.in website, you need to log in with your official IRCTC credentials. That means the user and the password. And once you are done logging in, you will see an interface like this. Now under this interface, simply hover your cursor over to this My Account option, and then you will see a menu appears. Now in this menu, hover your cursor over to the My Transactions, and it will further elaborate it using this menu right here. So in this menu, you need to click onto this File TDR button. It will not actually open the steps of filing a TDR, but instead it will show you all the transactions related to the current TDR which are active under your account. So simply click onto this File TDR button, and as here you can see, it currently says no record found. This means I currently have not filed any TDR and no TDR is currently pending of mine. Although this does not mean that I have never filed a TDR, as it will be available under the TDR history, which can be accessed by going to the My Account section, hovering to the My Transactions, and then clicking onto this TDR history. So this means that currently no TDR is currently pending or active. If you have any active or pending TDRs, they will be available to view right here in this particular page. So that was all for this simple and easy tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.